children, today let's start with chapter number 12, soil. So in this chapter, we will study about soil. So soil forms the topmost layer of the earth crust. It is the substance on which all plants grow. And then you observe the soil in your garden. The soil in your school playground, you will see soil particles of different texture and size. So soil is made up of small bits of rocks, dead plants and animals, water, and some air. So what is soil? So soil, when the rock exposed to high and low temperature, they get broken into bits. और जो broken bits होती है, they further come down by the rain or by water. Ice melts from the top mountains, river is formed. This takes along with the rock bits, and these rock bits get further broken. And what they form? They form soil of different color. Soil is explained as a top layer of the earth crust. जिसमें क्या होता है? Sand होते हैं, organic matter होते हैं, mineral होते हैं, और some amount of water and air. We all eat food, and food produce what? Plant produce what? Food. So plants gives out oxygen and we breathe it, and so soil is very important for the life on the earth. So let's study about the different types of soil. We have gravel, sand and clay. Gravel, यहाँ पे small stone होते हैं जो water को well रखते हैं. They have gaps between the stones that allow water to pass easily. Sand, dry and light, water easily pass करता है. Then we have clay. Its particles are fine. When it is wet, it becomes very heavy, quite sticky. Water जो होता है वो pass नहीं कर पाता है freely, right? Garden soil that contains sand, clay and humus, they are called loam. और जो loamy soil होता है वो very good for growing crop. Now soil erosion. The upper layer of the soil is called topsoil, जिसमें आपके lot of minerals होते हैं. When forces of water or wind, they take away top layer of the soil, जिसको हम soil erosion कहते हैं. It is caused by cutting down of trees. ठीक है, किससे होता है? जब trees cut down हो जाते हैं. Then we have soil conservation. So soil conservation is the action of preserving and protecting the soil from soil erosion. It is important not only for increasing food supply, but also for survival. So large number of plants should be planted to replace the one they are cut down. If wheat is grown in certain pieces of land, then in the next year, you will see gram or peas grown in same land. This helps in maintaining fertility. और इसको आप क्या कहते हैं? Crop rotation. In open space, bushes and trees should be planted so that this does not allow the wind to blow at full force and take away the soil. Dams should be built across the river to check the flood, running water at speed, and can easily take away a lot of topsoil. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now, let's study the exercise. First is plants gives us. What plants gives us? Oxygen. Gravel contains small amount of stone and does not keep dash wet. Particles wet. Soil erosion is also caused by cutting down of trees. There should be no dash if there is no dust. There should be no rain if there is no dust. Dash contains small stones and does not keep water well. Soil. Now fill in the blanks. When rocks are exposed to high and low temperature, they dash into dash. Now fill in the blanks. When the rocks are exposed to high and low temperature, they get broken into. ये टूट जाते हैं किसमें? Smaller pieces में. Dash is very important for life on dash. Soil is very important for the life on earth. Next is commonly dash types of soil. Commonly there are 3 types. मैंने बताया था gravel, sand and clay. Garden soil that contains sand, clay and dash is called loam. That's clay, sand, clay and gravel. The upper layer of the soil is called topsoil, which contain lots of nutrients. Right T for true and F for false statement. Soil forms the topmost layer of the earth crust is true. Now plants also give out carbon dioxide to breathe. We need it. False. What they give? They give oxygen, not carbon dioxide. Gravel contains big stone and does not keep water well. It's true. Loamy soil is usually very good for growing crop. It's true. Soil erosion is also caused by cutting down of trees. It's true. Now answer the following. What is soil? It is a topmost layer. How is soil formed? वो कैसे form होती है? 3 different types of soil होते हैं, gravel, clay और what is humus and what does loam contain, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.